If Slack is showing an internal underscore error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back into your workspace as fast as possible. These simple troubleshooting steps usually solve the issue in just a few minutes, and you don't need any advanced technical skills to follow along. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, the simplest fix is to refresh the page or try again later. Sometimes Slack runs into a temporary loading problem and a quick refresh is all it takes. If that doesn't work, give it a minute and try opening Slack again. Temporary server or connection issues can sometimes clear up on their own. Next, check your internet speed. Open your browser and search for a speed test, then run the test to make sure your connection is stable. If your internet is slow, unstable, or dropping out, Slack may throw an internal underscore error while trying to load messages or connect to the server. A weak connection is one of the most common causes of this issue, so this step is really important. If your connection looks bad, try switching networks. For example, if you're on Wi-Fi, switch to a mobile hotspot, or if you're using a hotspot, try a different Wi-Fi network. This helps you figure out whether the issue is tied to your current network. In many cases, simply changing networks is enough to get Slack working again. Another common fix is to disable any VPN or proxy you're using. VPNs and proxies can interfere with Slack's connection and cause internal errors, especially if the app is struggling to authenticate or load data through the secure connection. Turn off your VPN, disconnect any proxy, and then reload Slack to see if the error goes away. If none of that works, clear your browser cache. If you're using Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, then choose Privacy and Security, and click Clear Browsing Data. Clearing cached files can remove corrupted data that may be preventing Slack from loading properly. Make sure to refresh Slack after clearing the cache and sign back in if needed. After each step, check Slack again to see whether the internal underscore error has been fixed. Start with the easiest options first, then move through the list until the problem is gone. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve it quickly without needing anything more complicated. And that's it. You now know how to fix the Slack internal underscore error using a few simple troubleshooting steps. If this helped, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick fix tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.